Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be talking about UX UI design. I'm sure we are moving to where we reason behind this YouTube channel. That's the tutorial for UX UI design. I'm sure we are going in there fully now. This UX UI design, they are too closely related but distinct fields that are concerned with designing digital products and services that are user-friendly, visual appealing, and easy to use. UX and UI design are two important fields that work together to create digital products and services that are both functional and visually appealing, and that provide a positive user experience. UX UI design, some people do think it's only one profession, but UX is different from UI. But as we are moving on, you understand and you will know the difference between the two. This UX UI design, it aims to create a positive user experience that encourages customers to stick with a brand or product. This UX designer decides how the user interface works, while the UI designer decides how the user interface looks. UX is how it works, while UI is how it looks. The visual concept of a design. To succeed in today's market, organizations must shift from product-centric to customer-centric thinking. They must use data and UX UI design principles to understand consumer demands rather than launching users' desire based on assumption. And like I said, you might be wondering, so far they are not UX and UI are not the same. What is UX and what is UI? That's why we'll be going to UX. That's what is UX design. You see, this UX, it simply means user experience. It is the method by which design teams build products that meet the brand promise of a company while providing meaningful user experience for customers. All aspects of product design and usability must be considered in order to ensure a positive user experience. User experience design focuses on creating the overall experience that a user has when interacting with a product or service. This involves understanding the user's needs, goals and pain points, and designing the product in a way that meets those needs and solves this problem. User experience designer conduct user research, create personas, develop user flows and digital wireframes, prototypes to test and refine the product's usability. You see, designers specializing in UX, they study how people use products, conduct usability tests, and iterate on their designs due to these inputs. You see, as we move on in this course, in this UX UI design, you will understand more better what I'm talking about this UX and this UI design. Maybe when we are fully into the design and we are practicing and we are doing it together, you understand more better. But I'm trying to explain all this just for you to have overview of what you should be expecting so that you'll be well prepared. Now we are moving to UI. You see, UI simply means user interface. User-friendly interfaces are essential for digital products that are meant to be used by the general public. The look and feel of an app or a website user's interface is referred to as user interface design. Like I said, how it looks, the visual concept of a design is either app or your website. That's the user interface. It is important to consider the aesthetic of digital iconography, including how they are displayed on the website and the relationship between them. You see, user interface design includes features such as fonts, colors, graphics, buttons, and menus. User interface designers work closely with UX designers to ensure that the visual design of the product supports and enhances the overall user experiences. You see, this user interface and user experience, anytime they want to work, user experience is the first person to work before the UI. Because you might be wondering that UI should be the first person to work. No, user experience, that's why they are the one to research more and know how user is going to interact, what they feel about the app or website or anything they are designing for. UI is just to beautify what UX have done. They have to build on it and make sure that it's appealing. So in our next video, I'll be talking about what UI and UX designer, what they do, and I'll try to differentiate between them so that you know which one you want to go for, because it's not compulsory you do the two together. As for you, maybe when I finish explaining everything, you will know which side you want to stay. Is that you want to be a UX designer or a UI designer? So try to subscribe to this channel, so when next I release a new video, you'll be notified. Subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, drop your question to the comment section. It will be responded to immediately. Thank you and have a wonderful day.